To already wet face, I apply my cleanser or soap. Apply it all over and you keep massaging in upward circular movements. You're working against gravity that pulls your skin down to prevent your skin from sagging, and you're also allowing blood flow, because that's what massaging does. And at the same time, you're also cleansing your skin to reach all the dirt and impurities on your skin. Depending on what you're trying to treat, you can keep massaging for 3 to 5 minutes before you now take your sponge and start scrubbing your body down. Keep massaging. Get to all the parts. Hey there guys, my name is Geraldine Isuzie. I'll be talking on the topic how to get the most from your bathing soap or cleanser, as it is also called. I hear most people complain of making use of a cleanser or soap and it's as if the soap or cleanser is not working. How would you say a cleanser is not working? How do you use it? What is a cleanser? A cleanser is a substance that is supposed to take off dirt and debris from the skin's surface. And while it is taking off dirt, the skin is also supposed to benefit from the nutrients in that soap. So it now boils down to how you make use of your soap. Most people apply their soap on their bathing sponge, then use it to scrub their bodies. But do you know that way, apart from wasting the soap, you also do not benefit anything from that soap. If you really want to benefit from your bathing soap, then you should wet your body first. That's make sure your body is wet. Then you now use your soap to apply all over your wet body, from head to toe. Apply it everywhere. Afterwards, you now wet your bathing sponge. That's if you make use of a bathing sponge, because not everybody does. You now, with a wet sponge, you now scrub down your whole body. That way, your body came in contact with the soap. What your sponge did was just to give you a thorough scrubbing. But when you apply the soap on the sponge, it is the sponge that enjoys the benefits of that soap. You only get to make use of the lather that comes from the soap and the sponge. But when you apply your soap on wet body, because you have holes on your skin, the soap or cleanser is able to penetrate and do what it needs to do. You could even apply the soap and wait for a few minutes for it to get into your skin and do what it's supposed to do before you now go ahead to now start scrubbing yourself with your sponge. That is, if you make use of a sponge, because not everybody does. So that way, you enjoy all the benefits of your soap. It will not only cleanse, your skin would take out the nutrients. Then, if it's supposed to lighten your skin, that is when you can tap into that property in that soap. If it's supposed to brighten your complexion, that is when you tap into it. If it's supposed to heal a particular skin condition, like if you're using the soap to treat, for example, eczema, you don't just apply the soap on your sponge and just scrub the parts. No, it's best you apply the soap on affected areas. First wet the affected area, then apply the soap. Allow the soap some time, a few minutes, like between 3 to 5 minutes, for it to do justice to that area of the skin, for it to do justice, so that the ingredients in that soap meant for that skin condition can go into those areas to get its job done. Give it a few minutes. You don't have to be in a hurry. If you know you're in a rush in the morning, you could indulge at night. At least what you're doing is, after bathing, you go to bed. It's not like you're going anywhere, Indulge at night. Give it a few minutes, between 3 to 5 minutes, for it to do its job before you now take a wet sponge and now scrub properly, for added effect, before you now rinse off the soap suds. That way, you are getting double benefits: the cleansing benefit, and also the soap doing what it is meant to do on your skin. That is, getting the nutritive value of that soap onto your skin. When it comes to skincare and beauty, you don't have to be in a hurry. You don't have to be in a hurry to get the most out of your skincare products. You don't have to be in a hurry. Take time to massage in the soap, the cleanser, before you now apply. You now use your sponge to scrub down the whole of your body. I am sure you have gotten value. Do like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell button as well, so you'll be the first to know each time a new video comes up. For those of you that have issues with acne, I also had issues with acne, and I was able to overcome it. As you can see, there's no acne, there's no pimple on my face anymore. So I have a book for you, the Acne Handbook, a guide to getting rid of acne. In that book, I broke down what acne actually is, how it is formed, the different types of acne, the foods you can eat to maintain a flawless complexion, and those you're supposed to avoid because they trigger acne, to be formed. And also the different predisposition of your skin that makes you liable, to have acne. So if you are interested in getting the Acne Handbook, where I'll help you hold your hands to walk the journey from an acne-ridden skin to a flawless skin. You can get your own copy of that book from the description of this video. There's a link there. You click on it, so you'll be able to get a copy. Until I come your way in my next video, stay beautiful.